How to fix Roblox crashing and freezing on Windows. So launch the Roblox app and go to a game. Now you'll want to navigate to your in-game settings. Make sure that your graphics mode is set to manual. Now for the graphics quality, make sure that you keep it to the minimum. Then come here below to performance stat, then go ahead and enable it. From here you can preview your RAM usage, your CPU and GPU utilization, and some network related stats. Now that is done, I'll go ahead and close the player. What we're going to do next is we're going to ensure that our graphics card driver is up to date. For that, go to the start icon and I recommend that you go to GeForce Experience. Once you get here, you'll be able to see two tabs. You have to head to drivers and make sure that you download the first one. It's always for the best that you come here every year and download the latest version compatible with your device. Thirdly, make sure that resource intensive processors are not running on your PC. You have to keep this on your mind, especially when you are playing a game on the Roblox app. Moving on, it could be a compatibility issues with your Windows and the Roblox. So you want to look for the Roblox app. Now do a right click and select open file location, or you have that option right here too. This is now going to open the file explorer for you. Click on the Roblox player and do a right click. Now from the drop down options, head to properties. Then go to the compatibility tab. Make sure to check the disable full screen optimizations. Then come back to the top under compatibility mode. Check run this program in compatibility mode 4. And make sure that you switch it to Windows 7. Then apply the changes and I'm sure the Roblox app will stop crashing and freezing on your Windows. Hope I was able to help you out. Thank you for watching.